When homeowners in Anthem think about window replacement or installation, their minds often jump to energy savings, aesthetics, or property value. But one of the most overlooked benefits of quality window installation is improved indoor airflow, a critical factor for comfort, health, and overall home efficiency. Properly installed windows don't just frame a view, they control how air circulates through your home, ensuring a fresher, more breathable environment year-round. The role of proper installation in airflow. The key to good indoor airflow isn't just the number or size of windows, it's how they're installed. Poorly fitted or sealed windows create uneven air pressure zones in your home, leading to stuffy, stagnant rooms. In contrast, a professional installation ensures airtight frames, precise alignment, and balanced ventilation, allowing air to flow naturally and efficiently. Quality installation also guarantees that operable windows, such as casement, double-hung, or sliding types, open and close effortlessly. This precision means homeowners can better control how much outdoor air enters the space, whether it's a gentle breeze on a mild spring day or a quick cross-ventilation to refresh a warm room. Enhancing cross-ventilation in Anthem homes. Anthem's desert climate brings warm days and cool nights. With the right window placement and installation, homeowners can use this temperature difference to their advantage. Properly installed windows enable cross-ventilation, where air flows in from one side of the home and exits through another, replacing hot indoor air with cooler outdoor air. This natural cooling effect reduces the need for air conditioning, lowering energy costs. For example, casement windows installed opposite each other or at diagonal ends of a room promote strong airflow. Similarly, double-hung windows allow warm air to escape through the top sash while drawing cooler air in through the bottom. When installed by professionals who understand airflow dynamics, these windows create a comfortable, energy-efficient indoor environment without overworking HVAC systems. Preventing air leaks and improving efficiency. While ventilation is important, uncontrolled air leakage can compromise comfort. Poorly installed windows allow drafts that make rooms uncomfortable and increase utility bills. Quality installation eliminates these leaks through proper insulation, sealing, and weather stripping, ensuring that air moves only where you want it to. In Anthem homes, where temperatures can fluctuate dramatically between day and night, this balance is essential. With expertly installed windows, you get the best of both worlds: airtight insulation that prevents energy loss, and smooth operating sashes that allow controlled ventilation when needed. Healthier indoor air quality. Improved airflow isn't just about comfort, it's about health. Stale air can trap allergens, moisture, and pollutants, contributing to respiratory problems and mold growth. A professional window installation enhances natural ventilation, bringing in fresh outdoor air and expelling indoor contaminants. Homes with well-installed operable windows experience fewer issues with condensation and humidity buildup. This is particularly important in bathrooms, kitchens, and bedrooms, where air circulation directly impacts health and hygiene. When your windows are installed correctly, the air you breathe indoors becomes cleaner and more refreshing. Long-term comfort and value. A quality window installation is an investment that pays dividends over time. Beyond better airflow, homeowners notice more consistent indoor temperatures, reduced energy costs, and increased overall comfort. Professionally installed windows also protect against wear and tear, ensuring smooth operation for years to come. Moreover, buyers in Anthem increasingly look for homes that combine modern efficiency with comfort. Improved indoor air circulation, energy performance, and window functionality can significantly boost your property's market appeal. The takeaway for Anthem homeowners: window installation isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a step toward better living. Quality installation enhances airflow, promotes energy efficiency, and supports healthier indoor air. Whether you're replacing outdated windows or building a new home, working with experienced professionals ensures your windows perform at their best. By investing in precision installation, you're investing in a home that feels fresher, cleaner, and more comfortable, a true reflection of Anthem's balance between desert beauty and modern living.